Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to monitor screen time usage on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on the app icon in which you want to monitor screen time usage. So after opening the app, click on screen time and here it will show you the details of screen time. So you can check the daily screen time, and if you want to check the weekly screen time, then tap on weekly and then it will show you the weekly screen time of this app. So that's how you can monitor screen time usage on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.